Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to configure the rXg LLM feature. Our setup today is a standard gaming PC with an NVIDIA 3090 graphics card. Start by navigating to Services, LLM, find the LLM Worker scaffold, and create New. Give the record a name. This can be anything, but we'll use Local Ollama for this demonstration. Check the box to run locally since our GPU is installed in the same system, and the box that enables using this worker to generate embeddings. We don't have any models to select yet, so for now, click Create. Now that our worker is created, we can click on Pull Model. Enter the model name. We will be using Llama 3 Latest. This will take a moment to download. We will also pull in the Nomic Embed Text Latest model to use for embedding. You can use other models if you prefer. A list of available models can be found at ollama.com/library. Upon refreshing the scaffolds, you will see the models appearing here for the local Ollama worker and down here in the LLM model scaffold. Check to make sure that the Nomic model is also used for embeddings. Access that by clicking on Edit and making sure this box is checked. Now that we have models, we can go back and edit Local Ollama, selecting the Llama 3 model as the default, and click Update. Now create a new LLM option. You can configure a new name for our chatbot, but we'll just keep the default Romeo George. We'll check this to leave everything on the defaults. We do need to set the default LLM model and select any other models we want to allow for use. Under Provisioning and Admin roles, select the admins that will be allowed to access the chat and click Create. Now I'm going to refresh the LLM embedding scaffold. If you don't see any entries, click Regenerate Embeddings and they should start populating. As I refresh, we can see more entries being added. These entries contain the user manual. At the time of video creation, there are 1,798, although that could change over time. Ultimately, you will know the embedding is done when it stops creating entries. If there is specific information we want to supply to the LLM for context or as a source to draw on when generating responses, we can create additional LLM sources in the form of PDFs or other documents with information. We're going to add a source file, which is a text file containing trash pickup times. Under LLM Sources, click on Create New and upload your desired file or files. Click Create. Now when we refresh the scaffold, we can see that the number of embeddings has incremented by 1, and at the end of the list we can find our text file. Now we are ready to chat. At the top of the screen, you'll find Chat Now. As you can see, the chat can answer the questions you ask, including those referencing custom uploaded information like the trash pickup schedule. You also have the ability to access chat history to see what kinds of questions your users are asking or confirm if the answers your system is providing meet your standards or if you should upload additional contextual information to help it achieve greater accuracy. We'd love to hear about how you intend to deploy the LLM. Leave a comment down below or start a conversation on our subreddit to let us know. And be sure to follow us here and all the socials for more news, updates, and information about all things RGNets and rXg.